most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeron.
Hi, everybody. Kick-starting a new week and saying goodbye to the month of October here with a little bit of rain. Now, this is not going to help our deficit a lot, but it is something, and it's certainly more rain than we've seen here since last week when it was very warm and very dry. It's 53 degrees right now at East Pennsboro Area High School in Enola. The rain gauge registering about a quarter of an inch. I drove through some steady, if not heavy rain on my way into work this morning, so this is not a total surprise. We said maybe about a quarter to a half inch of rain, and that looks to be the case. We'll show you other totals here in just a bit. Only a trace of rain measured at the airport yesterday, so our deficit almost at 8 inches. Now, this rain will cut into that a little bit. 81 degrees, the record high today, set back in 2016, not that long ago. Yesterday's high, 67. But as we move into today, we're going to start to see these temperatures drop below normal. Right now, we're in the 50s. We will likely stay in the 50s through a good part of the day before we get some clearing and try to warm up into the lower 60s. Where our mountain camera is located up in Marysville, almost a half inch of rain. That is an outlier, though. Most of us getting around a quarter of an inch from Camp Hill, Cedar Cliff High School, and West Perry Middle School in Elliotsburg. We just showed you Enola, East Pennsboro Area High School there, and Loysville right now. We can see 52 degrees and just over 2/10 of an inch of rain. So the rain is going to come and go. It's light for now. We will see occasional showers here through early this afternoon, and then I think some clearing is likely later today. But temperatures mild this morning. 60 degrees in Baltimore and D.C. We're in the 50s, but believe it or not, this is actually a drop from where we were yesterday. It was a mild start on Sunday with the clouds and the rain coming on in. Temperatures starting in the 60s. So we're about 5 to 10 degrees below yesterday, and there's a noticeable chill in the air. Even though temperatures are not that bad, it's damp, right? So anytime it rains, it tends to feel a little bit cooler, and that's what we're getting right now. Some snow up in Canada, Montreal. Could we see our first flakes here this week? It's possible. It's possible. We'll see. We'll show you that coming up. We've got a cold front, though, that will bring us some rain here through the early afternoon, and then we will get some drying here. It looks like a mainly dry week again after really this morning, but this is a slow-moving front. We've mentioned that. The ridge of high pressure kind of squashed off to the south. We'll get some showers with this, and then turning cooler and breezy here tomorrow, really later today. I think tomorrow we get a break from the winds, which will be nice for the trick-or-treaters. Won't be quite as chilly, and then Wednesday the winds come back. So let's take you through here. Occasional light showers through the early afternoon, and then just kind of cloudy the rest of the day. We will get some clearing overnight. That could lead to patchy frost developing here tomorrow. Here is Halloween. It's a sunny day. It just looks like a nice one, but a chilly evening on the way for trick-or-treaters, and then the clouds return, and look at this. Precision cast hinting perhaps at a few snow showers here Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. It's possible. I can see that the winds come back on Wednesday, but so does the sunshine. And it does look like a mainly dry, pretty pleasant week, but it is going to be cooler. In terms of rainfall, we may add another 1/10 to up to a quarter of an inch, especially for some of our northern tier as we move into today. The other thing to note will be the winds. It does turn breezy here. Winds at about 10 to 15 miles per hour from the northwest. They will back off tonight. The good news is Halloween looking less breezy now. So even though there will be a chill in the air, the winds will not be a factor tomorrow night for trick-or-treat. That's good news, but they do return on Wednesday. It looks like a blustery, gusty day here on November 1st. So trick-or-treat tomorrow evening, dry but chilly. Temperatures in the 40s. So you're going to have to bundle up the ghosts and the goblins as they head on out to get some candy here on the final day of October. The extended outlook shows this trough coming in. That is going to keep the chill around through much of the week ahead, although we do get a reprieve from it heading into the weekend. And while it's not going to be as hot as it was last week, temperatures do look to be more seasonable here moving into the weekend and perhaps early next week. So our 5-day forecast, most of it's going to be below normal. Look at tomorrow, Halloween, 52 degrees, only 47 for a high on Wednesday, and only 50 for a high on Thursday. So that's about 10 degrees below the average right now. 63 today. Scattered light showers at times. It will be breezy, kind of a dreary day. We will clear out tonight. There could be some patchy frost around 35. And then just staying on the chilly side, we go into Wednesday with a few snow showers possible Tuesday night. And it's going to be 47 degrees here on Wednesday. So it is going to be quite cool as we move into the middle part of the week. But we bounce back. You know, I think the weekend looks good. Much more seasonable. Sunshine on the way. Not too shabby.
Snow showers. I bet you can't wait to tell James about that.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's possible, but it's that time of year, right? We're flipping that calendar.
It certainly is. All right. Thank you, Brett.
Yep.
We'll be right back.